In this video, I want to show you how to use Deepseek AI app on an Android phone. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, make sure you have installed the Deepseek app on your Android phone from the Play Store and make sure you update your app. Once you update your app, you need to simply open up the app. So if you want to use the Deepseek app, so you must need a Deepseek account, or you can simply get the access through your Google account. So I have already logged in my Deepseek account with my Google account. So here you can see this is my Google account that I have logged in through this account. And here I can also manage all the options of the Deepseek app. So let me show step by step how to use this app. Make sure this application is AI based like a ChatGPT. So you can ask any text message and it will be quickly reply you in a summarized way. So at the top of the right side, you can notice that there is a plus chat icon. So this is the option which allows you to create a new chat on the Deepseek. So here I just want to type hi and it will be quickly reply my message. And if I need another query, so you can also use this new chat. So I just want to type here hello. So you can see I can get the information simultaneously by using the two different chats. So if you want to switch between the two chats, so you can simply tap on the two lines at the top left side. So here you can see these are the two queries that I have recently done. So if you want to delete the specific query, you need to simply tap and hold down the specific query. Now you can also simply use the delete option. So you can see the query is successfully deleted. So if you want to rename it, so you can also use here the rename option. And you can also select here the Deepseek R1 version. And if you want to send some files, so you can also use here the plus icon to upload the files, but right now this feature is not available. And this is the send option. You can simply type anything and then you need to simply use the arrow to send your query to the Deepseek. Now let me go to the Deepseek settings. So you can simply select your account and here you can also change the color theme. I want to select the light theme, and also you can change the app language. So there are so many languages that Deepseek basically supports, but I have set as a default. And you can also delete all your chats from here, or you can simply delete your account from the settings. So in this way you can easily use the Deepseek app on Android. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.